If you want to speak English fluently and understand native speakers, you need to master core grammar. I know what you might be thinking, oh, grammar, how fun. Yes, it may sound boring, but this is the foundation that will help you sound natural in everyday conversations. So, let's see how good you really are. In this video, we'll try the B1 test, and after that, make sure to test your B2 level. After each question, I'll show you the correct answer and explain it with a clear example. That way, you'll not only check your level, but also improve your grammar. And guys, if you're not ready for this challenge or unsure about your level, I recommend checking these videos first. They will check your beginner level and show you exactly how to reach intermediate. So get ready, keep track of your score, and watch till the end. It's gonna be fun, I promise. Let's get started. All right, let's start with B1 grammar test. And the first question for you. This report all morning, but I still haven't finished. Is it A, worked on, B, have worked on, C, have been working on? And the correct answer is C. I have been working on this report all morning, but I still haven't finished. But why? We use present perfect continuous when an action started in the past and is still continuing. For example, I have been studying for 3 hours and I need a break. What about have worked on or worked on? Have worked on, it focuses more on the result, not the process. And worked on, it is about a finished action. Past simple. Not correct here. Okay, let's move on. And the second question. Look at those clouds. It soon. Is it A, will rain? B, is going to rain? C, rains. Take your time. And the correct answer is B. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain soon. We use going to when we see present evidence that something will happen. The clouds. Look at the clouds. Another example is, look at the traffic. We're gonna be late. We are going to be late. We're gonna be late. What about will? It is about general prediction, not based on visible evidence. And rains, just rains, it is present simple and it is not used this way for future predictions. Now, guys, many of you ask me for help with English. I'm excited to offer my monthly plan to help you reach B1 level, and the second month is already out. The plan includes 8 lessons, 40-50 minutes each, covering all skills: reading, writing, listening, and most importantly, speaking. Everything is organized by topic with clear step-by-step instructions, so you don't have to waste time searching for materials. You can start from the first month or jump straight into the second. Everything is designed to guide you step by step. Scan the QR code or follow the link in the description to get your plan and watch your English improve every day. All right, question number 3. When I got to the cinema, the movie A, already started, B, had already started, C, was already starting. Tricky. And the answer is B. Why? We use past perfect for an action that happened before another past action. For example, when we arrived, the meeting had already begun. I love this one. Begun. What about already started? It is just past simple, and it doesn't show which action happened first, right? And was starting, it suggests the action was in progress. So, first, the movie started, and then I got to the movie. I got to the cinema. Question number 4. If I closer to the sea, I would go swimming every day. Is it A, live, B, lift, C, would live? And the answer is B. B again. Okay, why? And here we have second conditional. It describes unlikely situations in the present. The structure is very simple, guys. In the first part, it is if plus past simple, and in the second part, would plus verb. For example, if I had more money, I would travel more. So true. Question number 5. You be tired after such a long trip. Is it A, must, B, might, C, can't, can't? Take your time. And the answer is A. Why? Must expresses a strong logical conclusion. For example, she must be at home. Her car is outside. Yeah. What about might? Well, might is all about being possible but not certain. And can't, it means impossible. But here it cannot be impossible. Your car is outside, right? All right, we are halfway through this level. How are you doing so far? Let's move on. Question number 6. She suggested a movie tonight. Is it A, to watch, B, watching, C, watch? And the answer is B. She suggested watching a movie tonight. Well, after suggest, we usually use a verb plus ing ending. For example, she suggested going to a cafe. And guys, notice that I'm pronouncing going to, not going to. You can practice more of this in this video. All right. What about our test? To watch. Not correct here. It is not used after suggest. And just watch? No, grammatically incomplete. Great. Question number 7. Please remember the lights before you leave. Is it A, turn it off, B, turn off, C, to turn off? The answer is C. Please remember to turn off the lights before you leave. Why? Well, we use remember to do about something you must do in the future. For example, remember to send the email. What about remember doing something? It is about recalling a past memory, okay? Past, not future. For example, I remember visited that city years ago. My JD moment. Question number 8. The project by the end of the month. Is it A, will complete, B, will be completed, C, would complete? The correct answer is B. The project will be completed by the end of the month. And why? Here we use future passive. The structure is very simple. Will plus be plus past participle. What about will complete? This is active voice. But it would mean the project completes something, which doesn't make sense, right? And what about would complete? This is conditional. Not future passive, no. It would need a condition. Another example. The report will be finished tomorrow. Great, we have 2 more left. Question number 9. He said the movie already. Is it A, saw, B, has seen, C, had seen? The answer is C. He said he had seen the movie already. And why? In reported speech, verbs usually move one step back in time. So, in direct speech we have I have seen the movie. In reported speech, it is he said he had seen the movie. Clear? Crystal clear. Let's move on. Be careful, guys. The last question here. By next year, my degree. Is it A, am finishing? B, will finish? C, will have finished? And the answer is C. By next year, I will have finished my degree. Why? Here we use future perfect for actions that will be completed before a specific time in the future. For example, by the end of next week, I will have saved enough money. What about am finishing? It is about present continuous and will finish. It's future simple. It doesn't stress that it will be completed before a certain time, right? And that's it. How many answers did you get correct? Write your B1 score in the comments and don't forget to test your B2 level in the next video. Thanks for being with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.